In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on eBay, whether it be a credit card, debit card, or a Payoneer account. This is a straightforward process, but having a reliable payment method ensures your transactions are seamless and uninterrupted. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your eBay account. Head over to www.ebay.com, and on the homepage, you'll find the option to sign in. Use your credentials, whether it's your email, username, or whatever login method you typically use to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your payment settings. To do this, click on your name located at the top corner of the screen. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select Account Settings. In the Account Settings section, look at the left-hand menu and find the Payments option. This is where you can manage all things related to your financial transactions on eBay. Now let's move on to adding a payment method. Within the payment settings, you'll see an option to add payment method. Clicking on this will present you with multiple choices under billing or payout options. To add a credit or debit card, you'll choose Add Credit or Debit Card. Here, you'll need to input details such as your card number, the expiration date, the CVV, and the billing address associated with the card. Once all the information is filled in accurately, don't forget to save changes to ensure your card is successfully added. If you're using a Payoneer account instead, this procedure is a bit different. You'll select Add Payoneer Account, which will redirect you to Payoneer's secure login page. Enter your Payoneer email and password to log in. After logging in, authorize the connection between your Payoneer account and eBay. Once confirmed, you'll be directed back to eBay. After adding your payment method, the final step is to confirm and verify it. eBay may perform a small test transaction or deposit, which they will refund to verify the details you've provided. If you use Payoneer, make sure the name and account information match your eBay account to avoid synchronization issues. And there you have it, everything set up. Your newly added payment method is now active. Depending on your settings, eBay will use this method for anything from paying fees to making purchases, or even for payouts if you're selling items. With your payment information securely set up, you can enjoy all of eBay's buying and selling features with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!